Hi everyone, welcome to this week's weekly spelling video. It's week 15, let's see what we've got. Our first word is league. League. A league is when you have a group of teams that play each other. So my football team is at the top of the league. League. Now there's no words within words here, but it's just remembering that league can be spelt G-U-E as well as just G. Spelling 2 is plague. Plague. So if we imagine it as plague, we turn that UE is making it say plague. So plague is a disease and it was around hundreds of years ago and it could cause people to die. Spelling 3, another G. Fatigue. Fatigue. So we've got the word fat at the front, which is easy. Fatigue. Fatigue. It is feeling very tired. Spelling 4 is unique. Unique. So this is the K sound, k, 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 but we need to know that we can spell it Q-U-E. Unique. So it's unique. We are all special, different and unique. Spelling 5 is technique. Can you hear the k on the end? Technique. If we learn the technique, we will become an expert. So we've got the word tech at the front, like technology. Technique. Spelling 6, our last k word, antique. We have to be careful with an old object as it is an old, valuable antique. Something old and valuable. Okay, quiz time. Which of this week's words are hiding behind our blocks? Let's see. Oh, not much there. Blue circles. Will the middle solve the riddle? We've got a different one in the middle. Do you know the word I'm looking for? The yellow ball in the middle is unique. Unique. Write it down on your paper. Unique. Did you get it right? Unique. Well done. Let's see which one's hiding next time. Here we go. Oh, some legs. More legs. Your face. Lots more people. They look like they're wearing football kits. So they are in the football. Can you hear it? League. League. Can you write it on your paper? League. There it is. L-E-A-G-U-E. League. Here's the next one. What's hiding here? Got a hand. Somebody with their head to one side. Bet you get there before me. Well done if you think the person is tired. Therefore, they are experiencing fatigue. 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 Can you spell it? There it is. Did you get it right? Number 4. What's hiding this time? It looks like people swimming. Do you know which word it could be? Well done if you said technique. This picture is showing the swimming technique. Can you write it down? Pause the video if you need more time. There it is. Tech, like technology. Neek. Spelling 5. Oh, I think we'll know this one. Lots of clocks, looking old and looking valuable. So they are antique. So it's no surprise. That this one is unique. Sorry, antique. It's an antique clock. So let's write that down. Antique. So it's a bit like anti. There we go. Antique. Our last one. Which one haven't we done yet? Looks like a cart. A strange looking person. Looks like a picture from a long time ago. With somebody very poorly or possibly dead. That's right. The word is plague. Plague. There it is. Looks like plague. So well done. If you got all of those right, will you get 10 out of 10 on Friday's test? See you next time.